Hi everyone, I'm Sean, a PM on Microsoft Mesh.
Hi, and I'm Samira, a software engineer on Microsoft Mesh.
Let's explore web content in Mesh, empowering you to experience everyday business tools and web apps in immersive 3D. Web content in Mesh is powered by WebView, and in the Mesh Toolkit, we offer the WebSlate component, an easy way to drag and drop game objects in Unity, tie a URL to them, and experience web content from within the Mesh app. We've seen our partners use this to surface critical information, interactive exhibits, games, and beautify environments with content they use every day. This helps tailor experiences directly to your business need. Website features include the ability to easily add a URL to your preferred web content, and then experience them with input and audio built in via the Mesh app. Secure navigation that prevents unintended hyperlinks for your users, scriptability so that you can toggle pages and display multiple content types, all from a single place, and visual customization to modify quality of the web slates. All of this to help you build more exciting and engaging 3D immersive experiences. Now let's go into the Mesh app with Samira.
Thank you, Sean. I'm now going to demonstrate how you can add web slates to your Mesh environment. I have a Unity scene already opened in the Unity editor, and this sample is based off of the Toybox sample that's available publicly on GitHub. I've already have it referencing the Mesh Toolkit, which is also available to you for free. All right, let's get to it. So to add a web slate, right-click on your hierarchy, find the Mesh Toolkit, and there you go, add the web slate. Here I already have a web slate set up, and it's showing a live stream. It's configured to show live stream right here. You can see the URL setting here. I'm now going to switch over to the Mesh app where we can experience the web slates. Hi, Sean.
Hello.
So here's the live stream that we have running that Sean and I can both see. Yep.
Yeah, this is great for like small to even large size groups within Mesh who are just interested in watching like a live conference stream or other content within Mesh. Tell me a little bit about what's here to the left.
All right, so here is a different type of web slate. Here I haven't configured it to a URL, but rather I have it configured to loading some HTML content that I have set up locally. So I found a CodePen.io example of these falling green codes that we all know from the Matrix. And using visual scripting, I have it programmed to displaying this HTML content. Yep.
Very cool. And really high fidelity. Like the closer I get, I can see it super well.
That's true.
And it's a nice aesthetic component to the environment.
So here is a different type of web slate that I've also programmed using scripting, but in this case, we're using cloud scripting. So if you have an example where you need to program your web slate or your web content in a more complex fashion, then cloud scripting is an option that's available to you. So here's a simple example where I've programmed the button so that on click, it changes the content that I'm displaying. And the key point here is that the content change is synchronized, so Sean can see the content change as well. Is that right? Do you want to go ahead and give the button click a try?
Yeah, absolutely. Let me click.
Yeah, I can see it. Saw it change.
Cool. This is super useful for people who are looking to add a lot of informational content or even games into one single part of the environment. So being able to toggle and see this across multiple users is extremely valuable within Microsoft Mesh events.
So here we are in the art gallery portion of our Mesh environment. So these art pieces are actually all web slates and are rendering web content of images that have already been uploaded and are being hosted to websites.
This is really cool because I imagine people can add on-brand content and other artistic elements to their space by just adding a URL. I'm really excited to see what people create with this. Thanks so much, Samira.
Thank you for checking out WebSlates with us.
Have a great day, everyone.
Have a great day. Thank you.